Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. So many persons don't know about this hidden cave in Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. So I'm gonna give you a quick view of this hidden cave in Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. So you have to be very careful because you have lots of slipping rocks and stuff for it. So this is a hidden cave in Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. Nice tourist attraction. Just take a good look, my people. Hidden cave in Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. What a beauty. Jamaica, land of beauty. So a lot of rat bats are in this area. So you can see a lot of rat bat messes over there. And rat bat manure is a very good organic fertilizer. Many people love to use it and put it on their marijuana. It make the plant them more stronger. Can give you a stronger burning when you're smoking it. So the rat bat manure is a very organic, good organic fertilizer. So right now I am in Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, I'm coming back out of the cave. So I have to be very careful. Hidden cave in Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Fair read, true Jamaican vibes.